Welcome to Fastlane Tech Training, where we simplify tech and sharpen your skills. Today, we're diving into the world of artificial intelligence and discussing how to develop a strategy that delivers real business value. AI is no longer a futuristic concept. It's here, and it's changing the way businesses operate. But many companies struggle to see the true value of AI and how to effectively implement it into their operations. So, what's the key to developing an AI strategy that delivers business value? It all starts with understanding your goals. Before jumping into AI, it's important to identify what your business is trying to achieve. Are you looking to increase efficiency, reduce costs, or improve customer experience? Once you have a clear understanding of your goals, you can then determine how AI can help you achieve them. Now, here's the key insight. AI is not a one-size-fits-all solution. It's important to tailor your AI strategy to fit your specific business needs. This means investing in the right tools, technologies, and skilled professionals. Don't just jump on the AI bandwagon without a solid plan in place. This will only lead to wasted resources and potential failure. To truly see the business value of AI, you need to start small and scale up. This allows you to test and refine your strategy before fully integrating it into your operations. Start by identifying a specific area of your business that could benefit from AI, such as data analysis or customer service. Then, implement a pilot program to test the effectiveness of AI in that area. This will not only help you identify any potential challenges, but also allow you to showcase the value of AI to key stakeholders. But developing an AI strategy is not a one-time task. It's an ongoing process that requires constant evaluation and adaptation. As technology continues to advance, so will your AI strategy. It's important to stay updated on the latest trends and advancements in AI and regularly reassess your strategy to ensure it's delivering the desired business value. So, for all the tech-savvy individuals out there, don't be afraid to dive into the world of AI. Just remember to start with a clear understanding of your goals, tailor your strategy to fit your business needs, and continuously evaluate and adapt your approach. This clip is brought to you by Fastlane, your global IT training partner. Subscribe for more. Thank you for watching. Remember, developing an AI strategy that delivers business value is not a one-time task. It's a continuous process. Stay tuned for more tech insights and tips from Fastlane Tech Training. See you in the next one.